Welcome back to the channel, guys. As I'm waiting for some interior parts to come, it gives me a chance to do something I've been looking forward to do and meaning to do for, well, since I picked this thing up. This thing has come a long way. It was really neglected. It was let go. It's a shame, but solid foundation. And we really turned around the exterior, and we're trying to do the same thing for the interior. I'm waiting for the seats and the seat covers and cushions. We're going to redo the seats. Working on some of the plastics as well. And well, let's get into it. The plastics on this thing, absolutely horrible shape. Just neglected, dirty, gross, not very attractive to hop into. This stuff in here, if I can get it to focus right, is just, it's been in there so long, it's just, it's a solid mess. It's the best way I could describe it for you. And these other door panels, I've been working hard on them and have gotten them cleaned up really, really well. As you can see, the shape that these tools are in, just working on that stuff, absolutely nasty. So much better. And I'll show you what's been working. In this bottle right here, cut 10:1, I have been using the Koch Chemie Green Star, GS Green Star. And there are many dilution measurements on the back. Depending on what you're working on, you can use that on many tasks. Interiors, 10:1, 20:1 is a little weak unless it's something you just want to touch up. 10:1 is great for some nastiness that we have going on this door panel and door pocket. Blah. I can't wait to get rid of that. It's the last door. I'm going to show you how it works. I'll demonstrate how it's been working for me and what I've been using. Let's get to work. Absolutely. I mean, this is right next to you when you close the door. How can you let it get so bad? It makes you wonder what these people's house looks like. Absolutely freaking gross sloppiness and laziness. Anyways, cut to 10:1. I'm going to just layer. I may not do every car this way and get this aggressive, but with this, I'm going to layer it and let it soak. Let it do its job. Down in there, we're going to make a nice, let me grab you guys and bring you in a little bit closer. We're going to make a nice puddle in there. And see if this can soak. This is the worst door panel and pocket, but the other ones did have this crap in it too. We'll let it soak and see if it can soften that up and break it up so we can get it out of there. Let's give it about a minute or so. In the meantime, you could take your scrubber, whatever scrubber you have. It really doesn't matter. As long as you have one that's good at getting in the peaks and valleys of these textured plastics. I don't like the choice of plastic that GM makes when it comes to their interiors in their early 2000s, mid 2000s. I don't like the colors either. I think that this color sucks. I would have gone with all black or more of a gray. This is like more like a desert tan, desert gray. I don't know what you want to call it. It sucks. I don't like it. But I don't think I'm going to dye it either. I'll just clean it up. I covered a lot of the stuff in here with carbon fiber. We'll see what I come up with. All right, that takes care of a large portion of the flat surfaces. Now I'm going to grab a detailing brush and spray it into the brush and work these corners and just try and get this garbage out of here. Work on these speaker grates. Excellent on the speaker grates. In and around the lettering here. I'm just gonna, well, let's hit this pocket here with a little bit more. Looks like it's softening things up a little bit. In the meantime, we could take, you want to have your B, C tier towels, the ones you're going to be throwing away when you're done, by your side here. Grab one, start mopping up this mess. So much better already. I mean, look at this towel. This is so gross. And I have 2 or 3 towels that are the same way. Okay. Now what we have left here is this pocket. So what I'll do, see what I can get with this detailing brush here. Wow. Look how it just broke that garbage up and emulsified it into a liquid that I can break loose with this soft detailing brush and then pull up with this towel. That is damn good. That is damn good. Very impressive. Makes my time working with this guys. I hate interiors. Never liked them. When it comes to detailing, we haven't for years. We haven't offered any type of interior detailing, unless it is a package for protection, like a coating for Alcantara or leather. Other than that, we do not do interior detailing. And I haven't missed it one bit. And I'll tell you what, you would think that your customers would get a little upset with that, maybe go elsewhere, but it hasn't affected our business at all. We specialize in what we do. We specialize in films and coatings and paint correction and clear coats and single stages and just focus on the exterior. And the customers understand that, as long as you're honest with them and open. Look at this. Absolutely amazing. You let it soak a little bit and it will break that up, and you can really make a huge difference with hardly any effort. Let's get that garbage in there. I'll feel so much better when I have the door closed and that's crap isn't right next to me. I mean, if it had a hard time, you can get a scrubby pad in there. And I may have to do it for this side here, because there's a little bit, it feels like there's dried up bubble gum or glue or whatever the hell these people were. I mean, this brush is just covered with guck. I've been using this scraper here for the stuff that's bonded. I mean, the plastic down here is melted too, so I'm guessing there was a smoker in here. So we're not going to be able to get it perfect. I just want it clean. Yeah, that's melted. Melted plastic. Ah, the hell with the ashtray. Let's just throw it in the door pocket. It'll go out. People are disgusting, and that's why I don't do interiors. All right, so this is what we have left. See, the melted plastic and stuff was spilled in there and then hardened into a cement. I'm going to try and get this, as long as this is clean in here and that's clean in there a little bit more, and I can get in the corners, I'd be happy with that. I can align it with felt down there to hide the melted plastic, make it look better. That doesn't look bad at all there. It's just right here. So let's see what we can do. I'm going to let that sit for about 4 or 5 minutes or so, and we'll come right back. All right, after about 5 minutes or so, let's get back at it. Yeah, you can see how the foam is, oops, leaning on my, yeah, I mean, you can see how dark that foam is getting. So it's still doing some cleaning in there. Do a little bit of scraping. All right, so the door panel looks so much brighter. Doesn't have the stains or the dirt worked in the valleys of this crappy textured plastic from GM. Did a great job with the pockets. Now this pocket here, I don't know if you could see this. I don't know if this is going to come. There's a sheen on top of that. That dirt is actually melted underneath a layer of something. I don't know what it was, and so's that. So I'm just going to get a felt liner and put it down in there, because that's buried. It's buried, it's locked in, but it's clean. I'm happy. I'm happy with what the Green Star has done with me, or what's done for me with this plastic. This door sill is gross as hell too, so let's get this yet before we call it a day. Use a combination of the scrubber here and the detailing brush. And after doing the whole interior, I did have a 10-to-1 mix all the way up to here. We used about a little over half the bottle. Not bad at all. Still feels like a full bottle there. All right, guys, this has been out for quite some time. So those of you that have been using it regularly, let us know, share your experience with it. I'm happy with it. It seems like this bottle is going to go a long way, and it performs rather well. It just melts that garbage away. Brian from Apex Auction Car Reconditioning. I'll catch you in the next video.